Hello, this is Tech World for Kids. Today we are going to use Python code to draw some nice, colorful patterns. Now look at my code here. I have 108 lines of code. But there are many blank lines in between to keep my code better organized. So we actually have less than 100 lines of code. Let's see what this code can do. Now if I run the code, this is what the code does. It draws different patterns at different locations using different colors. In a moment, you will see that it will also write some words on the screen. Okay, that's what less than 100 lines of code can draw. Pretty good, right? Our challenge is to learn how to draw these nice, colorful patterns within 1 hour. And to make it easy, I'm going to split it to different videos. Each video is going to be less than 10 minutes. Are you ready? Move on to the next video.